In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Taskbar on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If you're trying to maximize screen space for work, gaming, or just a cleaner desktop, auto-hiding the taskbar is a quick and reliable way to do it. We'll walk through the exact clicks so you can set it up in seconds, and I'll also point out what to expect once it's enabled so nothing catches you off guard. Start on your Windows 11 desktop. Move your pointer down to the taskbar and right-click an empty area. If you see lots of icons, aim for a clear spot between them or near the clock so you don't open an app menu by accident. From the menu that appears, select Taskbar Settings. This opens the Settings app directly to the personalization page for your taskbar, so you don't have to hunt for it. In the Taskbar Settings window, scroll down until you see a section labeled Taskbar Behaviors. Click the arrow to expand it. This is where Windows keeps the controls that change how the taskbar appears and reacts. Look for the checkbox called Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Turn that on. The moment you check it, you'll usually see the taskbar slide out of view after a brief pause. There's no separate Save button here. Windows applies the change immediately. You can now close the Settings window. Your change is already active. With the taskbar hidden, you get a bit more vertical room for apps and documents, which is especially useful on smaller displays or when you're working side by side with multiple windows. Anytime you want to use the taskbar, just move your mouse to the very bottom edge of the screen. As soon as the pointer touches that edge, the taskbar will pop back into view. When you move your mouse away, it tucks itself back down again. If it doesn't appear right away, gently nudge the pointer all the way to the bottom border. It's designed to stay out of the way until you reach that edge. Also keep in mind that some full-screen apps may keep the taskbar hidden until you switch focus or exit full-screen mode. That's all there is to it. Right-click the taskbar, open Taskbar Settings, expand Taskbar Behaviors, check Automatically Hide the Taskbar, close Settings, and then hover at the bottom edge whenever you need it. This simple tweak keeps your desktop clean and gives your apps more room to breathe while keeping the taskbar just a quick mouse movement away.